Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create snowflakes, paper snowflakes, and use them in your language classroom. First, you'll need a sheet of paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Now, fold the paper like this. This is a variation of the paper doll chains or garland that you might have created when you were younger. Now, take your scissors and cut this sheet of paper so that when it's folded, it's a triangle like this. This time, take the triangle and fold it in half again so that it becomes another triangle like this. Use your pencil to draw an outline and remember to leave a tiny cone shape at the bottom so that the paper doesn't fall apart when it's unfolded. In this video, I wanted my students to have more space when writing, so I created a trapezoid shape, but it's really up to you as a teacher and what your students are working on and the theme or topic that you're teaching. Take your scissors and cut along the outline like this. Do you remember the paper doll chains that you made when you were a child? I remember I really loved making those. This is a different variation. It's more circular when you open it up, and it's great for projects and activities that you do in your classroom. All right, so let's open it up, and we have a cross or an X-shaped sheet of paper where you can write on. With students who are reluctant at writing, sometimes changing the way you present the writing activity helps them become more engaged. Now this time, let's work on a different shape. I'm going to fold the triangle like this, and then leave a little cone shape at the bottom and start cutting. I'll make my shape more circular and a little bit bouncy. So let's cut away. There we go. And one more. And we're done. Let's see what shape we end up with. Students enjoy the process of creating their own shapes to match their writing topic. In this case, we have a snowflake, and you can write the title in the middle and start writing around the edges like this. Be creative. Now, I'll show you some examples of how you can use this. We could use this with a topic on family or friends. Students could draw their friends or family. Another one about my town. They could write or draw what they see in their town. Another one on helping hands. What could you do to help around the house, like house chores or helping at school? You could also write about a sequence of events, like this one. This is about my morning, and write the order of events as they happen. This tool is so flexible, just be creative and try to think about ways in which you could adapt this in your classroom. This is about my special events that happen during summer. And following this, you'll be able to see another activity or example that you can use to create stories like this one. So you can see that there are many possibilities. For the younger ones, you definitely want to pre-cut these shapes, but for the older ones, they love creating their own shapes to match the writing topic. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.